Hey guys, what's going on? Paul here. Welcome back to another Cardano video, and today I am delighted to finally be able to show you the claim process for claiming the Midnight token. So the process is now open. I will say there is no rush to get in and do this. You do have 60 days. If you're not planning to do it right now, you can always save this video or subscribe so you can come back to it, and I will be doing follow-up ones with the most common questions. So in this one, I'm going to take you through the process of how to claim using a Cardano wallet right now. What I want you to do is leave any questions that you have after trying to do it, or anything that you have before attempting to do it, in the comment section here, and I will do a follow-up video in a few days to address any questions that people have, because there is 60 days before you need to have the claim in. So there is no rush. Don't rush into using the wrong links or anything like that. You can see here, so I just done a post on X, but I also shared the Midnight official post here. So you go to midnight.gd. Again, I'll put links below, but make sure you verify everything. So when I go to that link, it brings me to the midnight.network website. This is the official Midnight site. Actually, if you want to go this way, and there is a Midnight tokenomics up here. Click into this. And then you can see here, Glacier airdrop claim is now live. If you haven't seen videos on how they are all about this claim process before, then I can link to videos down below. But if you want to claim, go into claim now. And then what we're doing is, there is a video here introducing the Night token. This is important. This is the phase 1 Glacier drop. So you choose your origin address, which is the wallet that held more than $100 worth of ADA or any of the other cryptos that are qualified for it. There's Bitcoin, Ethereum, BAT, XRP, a few others that just aren't coming to mind, AVAX right now, but I can cover them and how to claim them using them ones in another video. So you choose the destination address. This is a new unused wallet address that you need to have. So this is one with no transaction history. So you're going to be choosing this as the one that you're going to send the tokens to. No tokens will be sent to that today. It will be after the 60 days. There is then a 90-day period where you could get the tokens at any point during that, or you'll be able to go in and claim them out to your wallet. Again, I will show all that in tutorials once we get there. So you can see countdown timer, 59 days, 9 hours. So loads of time. Verify everything before you make a claim. Start a new claim now. Choose the origin address, which is going to be the wallet that you're claiming for. Actually, here are all the blockchains that are getting part of this airdrop. So I'm going to use Cardano for this one. So then confirm network. You can either put in your address manually here, or I think the easiest way to do it is use a browser wallet. So they have examples here, MetaMask or Lace, but any Cardano wallet should be supported here as far as I know. If you come across a wallet that isn't, do let me know in the comment section. So for me, I have my Eternl wallet connected. I'm going to do browser wallet. And the reason I do this is because you have to sign the transaction at the very end to prove that you own the wallet. So it's easier just doing it through the browser wallet. Click on continue. So I'm going to use Eternl. Actually, there are a few Cardano wallets missing from there right now. I can see Begin as one that comes to mind, maybe some others, but these are probably the bulk of the ones you will be using. Click on Eternl, checking eligibility. So it reckons that by this wallet here, which was one of my test wallets, that I'm due 105 Night tokens from this. So I can see blockchain is Cardano, gives the address, and all looks okay. So I'll click next. Then select the destination address is not unused. So that means that it's picking up the wallet that I'm claiming from as being an address that isn't, or that is not unused, which obviously it's not, because it's one that I hold the balance in. So what I want to do is use a different address. And then I'm going to just enter this manually, just because it's easier than trying to change the browser wallet and then having to change back to sign the transaction. So I already have a new wallet address here. So I'm going to say I want to enter manually, continue. I'm going to put in this address here, click on check if unused. Now it's going off and checking. It's found that this destination address is unused. One common question I've already seen is for people with multiple wallets, can you claim everything into one destination wallet? And yes, according to the FAQ, you can do that. Click on next. Glacier airdrop terms. Of course, we always all read the terms. Yes, we agree. And next. So unique claim message. I'll probably blur this out slightly just because I'm not sure what it's going to mean just yet. So claim preview, you can see I'm going to get 105 night, the details. And then I'm happy with that. Click on sign. So this is going to sign using the wallet that you're actually claiming. So I had chose Eternl as my wallet. So I click into this, sign. Your claim has been successfully signed. So once it is signed, let's click on complete claim. And that is the claim process done. So that is everything I need to do now. After 60 days, there will be a new process to be able to pull these tokens out to the new address. Haven't seen that exact process yet, but you can be sure I will cover it here in a tutorial when the time comes. So I've seen others saying about a few different error messages they got going through this. I haven't seen any here, and maybe people are doing it slightly different than I done it there. But if you have questions, comments, anything about this, do let me know in the comment section below this video, and I will come back to it in a few days to look at it, take all them questions and answer them all in a video, and maybe do the claim process using different types of wallets or different networks or whatever people need to see. If you got value, please do share it out. Let people know how to do this, how to do it legitimately, not using scam links or anything like that. And subscribe if you're new. I do appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Give it a like. Talk to you soon.